The Norwegian Sun, a ship with an intimate feel and plenty to do on board. In this video, you'll learn about the delicious dining options. Then we'll dive into the awesome bars. After that, I'll go through some activities you won't want to miss. I'll even have a couple tips to make your cruise even better. And stick around to find out how you can get a ship guide, digital download that you can take along with you on your Norwegian Sun cruise. Now let's start with the food. Cagney's Steakhouse, an American-style steakhouse with delicious food like the ribeye or veal. Plenty of awesome, delicious options in an elegant setting. Los Lobos is a new addition, a new specialty restaurant that serves Mexican food. Los Lobos. You're going to want to check that out. Another option is Le Bistro. Le Bistro is an elegant French dining specialty restaurant with delicious cuisine. If you prefer Italian, go to La Cucina. La Cucina has all kinds of delicious pasta, ossobuco, lamb, so many delicious dishes. A great place for a date night. The main dining rooms are included in the price of your fare. It's a place to get a multi-course meal, full service, in a beautiful, beautiful dining room. Another included option is the Great Outdoors. The Great Outdoors is al fresco dining that includes food from the Garden Cafe Buffet. If you're looking for something a little different, go to the Sports Bar. The Sports Bar is included in the price of your fare too. The food is complimentary. It's pub food on a cruise ship. Every meal of the day, and later in the day you can get a drink. If you're enjoying this video, click the thumbs up icon below and give us a like. It really helps us out. Now let's talk about the bars, starting with the Spinnaker Lounge. By day, the Spinnaker Lounge is an amazing place to go and get beautiful views of the sea around you. And at night, it comes alive with music, a dance floor, and all day long, day or night, you can get yourself a great drink. Another option is the Bliss Ultra Lounge, an energetic place. It's a great late night spot. If you're looking for fun at night, head to the Bliss Ultra Lounge. The Atrium Bar is a great spot right at the center of the ship, the central hub where you can grab a coffee or a cocktail and just hang out and enjoy your time at sea. Champ's Bar is an outdoor spot with a great view overlooking the pool and the rest of the ship. Refreshing drinks served outside. A cruise essential, if you ask me. I mentioned the Great Outdoors before, but the Great Outdoors also has a bar. So you can go there and dine outside, take food from the buffet, and purchase yourself a drink from the Great Outdoors bar. I also mentioned the Sports Bar earlier. And the Sports Bar, of course, doesn't just have great complimentary food, it has great beer and cocktails. A pub setting on a cruise ship. How awesome is that? Now let's talk about some of the activities on board. Let's start with Splash Academy, a kids club with activities they will love. Or Entourage, a teen club for activities that are age appropriate for them. Either way, the kids and teens will have a great time on the Norwegian Sun. They can also head to the video arcade. For the kids and kids at heart, you can take on aliens or try to win a souvenir. Of course, there's the pool deck, a pool, hot tubs, and live entertainment. That's a cruise essential, the pool deck on Norwegian Sun. There's also stage shows, Broadway-style shows with great music, great dancing, entertainment, right there on the ship, just a few steps away from your cabin and dinner. Mandurah Spa is a great place to pamper yourself with a massage, facial, manicures, and there's also a beauty salon. Mandurah Spa. You won't want to miss out on that. The Sun Casino is another option. If you feel like taking your chance on Lady Luck with slots, table games, the Sun Casino is the spot to be. Now how about a couple tips? First, I recommend checking out the teppanyaki specialty dining option. It's a Japanese specialty restaurant where you can enjoy dinner and a show as the chef prepares your meal right in front of you. It's a great family activity. I recommend it. Another tip, be sure to download the Cruise Norwegian app. This app allows you to plan your daily activities and monitor your onboard spinning account. Last tip, be sure to download the Norwegian Sun Ship Guide Digital Download. It tells you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're even adding a bar crawl guide that you can use to check out the bars. You can get yours through the link in the description below. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe with the notification bell on so you don't miss any of our great videos. We got a lot of great ship guides, live shows, and interviews, cruise tips, and information you won't want to miss. Subscribe, it doesn't cost you anything, it's just a way to follow us. And be sure you don't miss out on our live shows. Put that notification bell on so you don't miss out. Or join our Facebook group linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.